Okay, listen, if you're coming to Raleigh and you want a hotel that feels luxurious, central, and effortless, this one might actually be the perfect stay. Let me show you why Homewood Suites downtown Raleigh surprised me in the best way. First of all, let's talk location. You're right in the heart of downtown Raleigh, walking distance to restaurants, bars, coffee shops, and literally everything you'd want for a weekend getaway. This is one of those hotels where you can park your car, and honestly, you don't need it again. The lobby alone already sets the tone. It's bright, modern, and just feels welcoming. They have a full snack and grab area, and yes, they even offer wine before you head up to your room, which feels very, we're on vacation now. And the staff is so friendly, like genuinely warm, not forced. The kind of place where you immediately feel taken care of. Okay, so this room, Hilton truly spared no expense. The layout is beautiful and so functional. You've got a full living area with seating for four, plus a table and chair that doubles perfectly as a workspace. This is one of my favorite things. Everything is multi use: TV trays, working tables, little mobile desks. It's perfect if you're editing content, working remotely, or pretending you're productive on a weekend trip. And the beds, so comfortable. Like, I had a genuinely great night's sleep. You know those hotel beds where you wake up confused about what city you're in? Yeah, that kind. I love the details too. The downtown Raleigh outwork throughout the room makes it feel local and elevated, not just another generic hotel. And the bathroom, this is giving spa. Super clean, beautifully designed, and they use the Gardeners by Crabtree and Evelyn organic shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. The scent is so fresh and clean, it actually feels like a luxury hotel, not just a nice one. Now, let's talk about this rooftop because this might be my favorite part. There's a rooftop restaurant and bar that's open daily from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m., and at night it's completely packed. But we came up earlier in the evening when it just opened, and honestly, that's when it's at its best. The views of downtown Raleigh are spectacular, and the space is so beautifully designed and decorated. It feels upscale, but still relaxed. Now, the breakfast and coffee bar in the morning, you can get complimentary breakfast served daily from 6:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. It's made to order, super fresh, and such a nice way to start the day without having to leave the hotel. Downstairs in the lobby, they also have Moonsong Bar and Cafe where you can grab coffee, tea, or even buy coffee to take home. It's one of those places you just end up hanging out longer than you planned. There's so many lounge and seating areas throughout the hotel, perfect for meeting up with friends, working, or just relaxing. There's even more space on the second floor, and I love this little touch: a water station so you can refill after walking around downtown. It's small, but it makes a difference. And during the holidays, this place is glamorous. The Christmas decor is beautiful. It really turns the hotel into a whole experience. Honestly, this hotel is everything you need for a perfect weekend in Raleigh: luxury, location, comfort, and design without feeling stuffy or overpriced. So, if your travel style is cute, cozy, and zero unnecessary stress, Homewood Suites downtown Raleigh is absolutely a yes. This is officially going to be on my list of hotels that make the trip better than expected. And you already know I'll see you on the next whimsical weekend. This is Abundant Adventures, where every trip feels easy, elevated, and a little bit magical. So, if you love cozy weekend trips like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and join the Abundant Adventures family. I'll see you on the next one.